Hello friends, in tutorial 5 I want to show you how you can model a drain and a river or lake we have. Let's start. I provide a location tutorial 5 and name it tutorial 5. Okay. Regarding grid mesh size, here I want to layer, model thickness 20, number of row 30, 300 meter in y direction, 40 column, 400 meters in x direction. Okay. Make it better looking. Coordinate system minus x1 minus 20, y1 minus 20, x2 400, 420, y2 make it better looking 400, 320. Okay, that's good. Yes. For mesh size, we have to go in and select it. I select the cell, right click, two column, two row. Okay, copy. Here also, and I want here also. Okay. Layer properties. Transmissivity varies is good for all cases, so I choose it for both. Okay. Cell status, make it -1. And by arrows, make copy, and by arrow on your keyboard you can go. Provide for both layers. Yes. You don't need to go here because directly provide 0 for elevation of top layer and -10 for the top, bottom of the first layer and the top of the second layer. And from time, I want choose days and steady state flow simulation. So I don't need the stable. When you use transient flow simulation, you have to work with the stable. Okay. Initial prescribed head, I make it value reset matrix. Use -1 for entire model. It means for both layers. Okay. Horizontal hydraulic conductivity value reset matrix. I choose 1 for applied to the entire model for both layers. Okay. Vertical hydraulic conductivity value reset matrix 0.1 for both layers. Okay. Yes. Effective porosity value reset matrix. I use 0.1 for both of the layers. Yes. Model flow package. First I provide well. I provide one well here. My 25 meter cube per day, and also I want another one here. Okay, go to second layer. I want another one here, -50. That's production well. Okay, we provided well also. Another thing I need flow package recharge. I have to use calculator. If I have a 30 millimeter per year, 30 millimeter divide by 1000 to be meter because my unit in meter and day in time. My unit in meter and day. So 0.03 divide also by 365 to change to meter per day. Okay. Value reset matrix 8.2 minus 5. Recharge is applied to the highest active cells. Okay. You see it provided for all cells. Now we have to deal with a new package which is drain. I will provide drain here. Okay, right click. Hydraulic conductance equal to hydraulic conductivity multiply the length of the cell. I use gravel drain. I use gravel for drain, so it is hydraulic conductivity 100 multiply 10, it will be 1000. Elevation of the drain, I use bottom of the elevation if the drain is -5, -6. Okay, copy. As you see, it's not true for all the cells. Here we have cells with 5 meters, so I have to change this one. 100 multiply 5, it will be 500. Okay, copy. Here also. Yes. Let's check data for this one. 1000 is good. For this one 500, it is good. Yes. Let's see how it works. I have to run. Check, regenerate. Okay. Now it's good. PM path. Let us provide particle. Mm, 30 particle I need. 1.5 radius 3 layer. Okay, you see for here also. Okay, I want to change the cross section, but let's to now where I provided the well. This cross section shows me all the three wells. What is the location? 15, 22. 15 row, 22 column. Okay. One option environment cross section. Disaggregation I make it 5. Row 15. I think this one 26. Yes. No, there is a wrong. Column 22. Column 22. So one and option environment cross section change it to 22. Yes, now you see the well also. Go to layer 2 to provide particle. Yes, I have particles also. And from option environment contours, I want visible hydraulic head or drawdown. I want for hydraulic head level -5 1 0.2. Oh, okay, no, there's something wrong. Go to face layer first. Option environment contours label -6 minus minus point 1 0.2. Okay, label format 2. Okay. I think it's good. Yes. Let us see how, but first we have to change particle tracking. Step length is 300 is 30 days. and 12 maximum steps. Path line, I choose this, active this one. Color for first layer, I make it. Okay, it is good, but not color blue one. Okay, for second layer, make it red. Okay, let us run. You see, most of water which comes from the injection wells goes to drain, as you see. A small part of water comes to the injection well. Okay, that is the effect of well. Also, you can save the particles. File, save, sorry, file, save particles as particle. Yes, override. Okay, it shows how water goes to the drain. Let us provide lake or river. Modflow, flow package, river. I use this one to provide river. For example, I have river here. Or lake. Right click. Hydraulic conductance of the riverbed. Hydraulic conductance equal to the hydraulic conductivity divide the closed zone, because we have closed zone here. Depth of closed zone multiply the area of the cell. I use calculator. For example, I have the 0.02 hydraulic conductivity of the closed zone, divide by 1 as a depth of the closed zone, multiply 100 area of cells. Okay, so provide 2 for this one. Head in the river. -2. Okay, elevation of the riverbed -5. Okay, cell by cell. Let's check data. -2, -2. Okay, everything good. But it's not true for all the cells. As you see, we have here not 100, we have 50 meter. So I have to change it to 1 and copy. Okay. Also, you can delete this one by make it 0. I think now everything is good. Let's run a model. Yes. Model Modflow. Run. Check regenerate. Oh, okay. PM pass. Bring particles. File load particle. Okay. I bring the particles and option environment contours visible level -6 0.2 -0.1. Okay, label format. Oh, about the particle 3012, everything good. Let us see how it goes. Particles, you see, most of water goes to the drain, but let's see how water comes to the how water comes from a lake to the production well. You see, most of water comes from here. Let us go to second layer and provide some particles here. Let's provide some particle here. Thirty 1.5 three layer. Okay, this time also put under some particle here. Right click. Also go to face layer. Okay. You see how water goes from the face layer to the well. Okay. I think that's all about the uh, providing drain and lake for a model using processing Modflow. Have a nice time.